I'm gonna call mine blue.
No, that's a slime.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory. Okay, guys, today I'm here with my cousin. Okay, cousin, not niece, because I said that the last time, guys, I said it was my niece. It's not my niece, it's my cousin. It's my aunt's daughter. So yeah, say hi, Talia.
Hi.
Can you say your name?
My name is Talia.
What do you like to do?
Make slime.
She likes to make slime. Okay, that's where I got slime from, guys. She doesn't know how to say slime. Anyway, so today I'm going to be teaching her how to make some slime. You ready, Talia? And also, if you guys don't know who the heck I am, I'm Ameerah. I make videos every day, so you should make sure to press that subscribe button. Talia, are you subscribed? Yeah, she's subscribed. She's subscribed. Yeah. What?
What's this?
Slime. Okay. And today's like button challenge is gonna be Talia. What do you think they should press the like button with?
That's right.
With a slime? Okay, you should press the like button with a slime. That's from her. Okay, well, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. You have to say yo, Talia.
Yo.
Yay. Okay, Talia, you ready? Okay, so first I need to teach her how to make some fluffy slime. She's made slime like a couple of times before, but not a lot, and I haven't really taught her, so I want to teach her. So anyway, so first you're gonna get your glue, Talia. Here you go. Can you do it yourself? Oh.
Yummy.
So put your glue. The funny thing, guys, is that she is so like greedy with her glue. Like she puts barely anything, but then she like just dumps the whole borax bottle in there. So yeah, is that good? Okay, all right, let me get some glue too.
That's enough.
That's enough. That's enough. Okay, she's like worse than me. Okay, now we're gonna put the food coloring. Which one do you want to put?
This one.
Pink? Okay.
It's my favorite color.
Oh, that's your favorite color? Okay, I want to put blue since she's doing pink. Put a little bit in there. Oh, geez. She's so greedy on her glue, but like everything else she's okay with. So now you mix it.
It's so pink and red.
It's actually pink, Talia.
Yeah, it's actually pink.
So, do you know what the next step is?
Yeah.
What? Oh, geez, we got food coloring everywhere. What's the next step?
Water.
Okay, no, it's this one right here. You're supposed to put shaving cream. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Come on, go, go, go. Okay, you put it right here and then you just press it. Come on, you can do it. Yay, you did it. Okay, now you're gonna mix it. Jeez, this one is actually really hard to press. Right.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to activate it? Do you remember what it's called? The activator?
Tight.
Yay, it's tied. Okay, you could put it. Let's see. You just put a little bit, okay? All right, she did pretty good on that. Okay.
This is so cool.
I know, right?
Baby's supposed to make slime.
Babies are supposed to make slime?
With
Yeah.
Ameerah.
With Ameerah. Babies are supposed to make slime with Ameerah, okay.
Mhm.
Usually, guys, I let her play with like store-bought slimes because the slime gets stuck to her hand a lot. Talia, no, that's enough. Anyways, the slime gets stuck to her hand like really easily, so I usually give her store-bought slime since it's like really not very sticky, so a lot of activator won't be that bad. You have to mix it. Go here.
Look at it.
Well, now you have to go. Now you have to grab it like this, and you have to start going like that. Yeah, there you go. So you're just gonna start squishing it like this.
You put to add glitter.
Yeah, we're gonna do it after. Babies need a little bit of help, right?
No.
The bug. All right, Talia, now you're all done. You happy? Okay, now we're gonna do some ASMR. You know what that is? You know what ASMR is?
Glitter.
Okay. All right. Okay. So do you know what the next step is? This. What is this called?
Glitter.
Yay! Okay, so pick your glitter. Look, we have a bunch. Which one should we pick? Oh, she's like iridescent. Which one do you want?
This one.
That one. Okay.
Favorite color I for.
Okay, here, you can put it actually.
I know how I do.
You want any more glitter? Any other one? Gold one? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put some gold glitter and then some black glitter. Come on.
I want
You want purple? Okay, that's enough. Take some of that. Okay, now we're gonna go like this, Talia. You're gonna spread it around like this.
Look at it's turning purple.
And then you do some ASMR. Do you know what ASMR is? It's where you poke it. Like this.
Okay.
Like that. Yay! That's satisfying. You want to do some FBNC time? Do you know what that is? You have to go like this. This is what Charlie does. He goes like this. It's FBNC time. Oh, wow. You're a natural at it. Okay, you want to make a bubble? Go like that. Why not?
Because I'm not big.
What? Okay. I'm gonna make a bubble, Talia. You ready? You ready for it? Ta-da! Look it. You gonna make your bubble? Hurry, hurry, hurry. You can do it. Okay. Okay. I can't make a bubble, guys. You ready, Talia? Yay! I did it.
How I do a bubble?
You have to be very, very, very skilled at it. You gotta warm up the slimes first. Like this, and then you're gonna grab it right here.
This is not a good one. Wait.
I got you some bubbles so you can crackle. You go. Oh yeah, you're doing ASMR. All right, I'm gonna teach you how to make a bubble. You wanna try to use my slime? Okay, now you grab it like this. Just grab it like that, and then you're gonna go. Yay, you did it! Oh. Jesus. Okay. You wanna try it again? Go like that really quick. Massage your slime. And then give it a kissy. And then now you just start smashing it. Okay, now it's ready for the bubble. Okay, you wanna try it by yourself?
How about I do this one?
I don't think she got it, guys. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next one. Before we start the next one, guys, we're gonna put it in containers. Okay, here you go, Talia. What are you gonna call it? What are you gonna name it?
The glitter sword.
You wanna call it Glitty Glitter sort of? Okay, I'm gonna call mine Blue.
No, that's a swine.
Okay, alright, let's get on to the next one. Okay, the next one we're gonna do, guys, is clear jiggly slime. You ready? Okay, so this is clear glue. Can you do it, or you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna put some glue. Oh, she doesn't care about clear glue. She's like the opposite of me. Okay, now we're gonna put the food coloring. You can also put this if you want.
I want this.
We can put that after. But you have to put it slowly, very slowly. She goes crazy with food coloring. Okay, that's enough. See? She goes crazy with food coloring. I don't know what it is with her and food coloring. I am going to put some gold pigment.
Oh, it's turning black.
Yeah, that's what happens when you put too much food coloring, Talia. And it's not black, Talia, it's just very dark. Now we're gonna put the water. You know what this is?
Water.
Okay, you got that right.
On mine.
All right, she did good on that.
Mine.
Let's put some glitter, Talia. Which one do you want to put? Want this one?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, she's actually got pretty good color choice. Dark blue and gold holographic. Pretty good, Talia. Good, like that. I'm gonna put some of this glitter. Some good glitter.
No, you want? Not mine. Not mine.
Ooh, guys, look how pretty mine is. What's the next thing? Okay, she doesn't know. We're gonna do an activator. What's it called?
Activator.
Okay. Okay, now you just start mixing. Okay, you're gonna mix really fast. Go, go, go. Be careful, don't spit it.
Look, it's turning slime.
Yeah, it's already turning into slime. A little bit more.
Look, it's turning blue.
It's kind of always been blue, Talia. Oh, mine has so many bubbles already.
No touch that with your hand.
Okay, I need a little bit more activator. Talia, want me to use my magic to make your slime? Want me to do it? Ta-da! You don't like my magic?
It's not green.
What do you mean? It was blue.
It's blue. It's not green blue.
Okay, well, I made you slime. Come on, poke it.
But it still sticks on me. You have magical powers to make it green.
Yep. What? I have some food coloring that can make it green. If you really insist on making it green. Okay, I got you some yellow food coloring. Here you go. It's gonna turn into green.
Your magic powers! You're making magic
Yeah, definitely. That
powers.
was my magic powers. Okay, here's your green.
It's still blue.
I'm gonna put some pink in mine, guys, because it completely turned white. It was really, really pretty. You guys saw, but it turned white because of all the bubbles. So I'm gonna put some pink, which I can't open. Here we go. Okay, you ready to do some ASMR? Or you wanna do FBI at the same time? Which one?
I want to do pink. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
I don't have no more questions.
You don't have normal questions?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, okay, do you want to do ASMR or FBI NSA time?
At the same time.
It's FBI NSA time.
AOSA time.
Oh, good enough. All right, let's go. All right, yay! You did it! Okay, well, guys, that is it. If you guys want me to do a part 2, I can teach you how to make cloud cream and foam. You want to make foam, Talia?
Cream and foam and tight.
And tight?
Right there.
Oh, and Tide. Okay. All right, guys. You guys comment down below. And that is it, guys. Love you so much. And I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye.